Now, question number second of exercise 5.3. What is given? Find the sums given below. हमें यहाँ पर sum find out करना है. यहाँ हमें number of terms given नहीं है, terms given है. 7 is first term, 10 raised 1 by 2 is second term, 14 is third term, and 84 is our next term, last term. And what is the formula? Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into b. One more formula, as I have told you in basics, Sn is equal to n by 2, split this a plus n minus 1 into d. Then it will become n by 2 a. What is it? An or L. You can write An or L. Suppose I am writing here An. आप इसमें An भी लिख सकते हैं और L भी लिख सकते हैं. Because this is the formula of An. ये जैसा कि हमने लास्ट जो प्रीवियस एक्सरसाइज उसमें किया है, ये हमारा An का फॉर्मूला है. And we can replace this by An. This formula is applicable where when first and last term are given and we know number of terms. जब हमें number of terms पता हो, first term पता हो और last term पता हो, तब हम इस फॉर्मूले का यूज कर सकते हैं. So let's see what is given in first part of question number second. 7 plus 10 raised 1 by 2 plus 14 plus up to 84. Now, first of all, identity number of terms. What is A? What is D? If N is there, then what is N? And if An is given, what is An? So, A is our first term, then this is A. Now, for D, what we do? Subtract first term from next term. We will do simplification of it. We will convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 10 to the 20, 20 plus 1. यहाँ हम क्या करते हैं, इसकी मल्टीप्लाई के जो बाद आता है उसमें प्लस. 10 to the 20, 20 plus 1, 21 by 2 minus 7. Now take LCM. 21 minus 2 sevens are 14. Now it is 7 by 2. Now what is it? 84. This is An. ये जो है हमारी An given है, N नहीं है. How? Because here plus sign is given. सबके बीच में क्या प्लस 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 up to plus 84. So it means it is An. ये यहाँ पे क्या है, An है. अब हम क्या करेंगे, An का फॉर्मूला यूज करके first of all we will find number of terms. Because for finding sum we require n. हमें sum find out करने के लिए n की requirement है. वो हम कहाँ से find out करेंगे, an के फॉर्मूले से. Because we are having an and we know that this an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now what is an? An is 84. A is 7 plus n minus 1 into d. What is d? 7 by 2. Now this formula we have studied in our exercise 5.2. So it is easy. 7 plus 7 by 2 into n, 7 by 2n minus plus minus 7 by 2. 84 is equal to 7 by 2n plus 7 minus 7 by 2. What I have done? I have taken these two constant terms together. Then we will take LCM. 7 by 2n plus LCM of these two will be 2. 2 sevens are 14 minus 7. So from here 84 is equal to 7 by 2n plus 14 minus 7, 7 by 2. Now what we will do? 84 equal to 7 by 2 n. From here 161 by 2 is equal to 7 by 2 n. N will equal to 161 by 2 into 2 by 7. 2 cancel out. 7 2s are 14. 2 remainder 21, 23. 7 3s are 21. So n is equal to 23. Now we have to find the sum of 23 terms. This S23 will equal to which formula I will use? I will use this formula because it will be easy to use this formula. This S23 will equal to 23 by 2 plus what is A? 7 plus what is AN? 84. So what will come? 23 by 2 into, on adding these, what we will get? 91. Now multiply this 23 by 91. What we will get? 9 3s are 27. 2 carry. 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 2 20. 3 9 2093. Or you can convert it in mixed fraction. 1 0 4 za 6 za 1 by 2. This is the sum of these 23 terms. I am repeating this question, dear students. What is given in this? AP is given, but number of terms given नहीं है. यहाँ हमें AN की value given है. How we will identify that it is N or AN? Yes, first of all, here plus 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 sign are there. अगर यहाँ पे आपका कोमा होता और लिखा होता 284 terms, then it will be number of terms. But here positive sign is there, then it will be AN. So first of all, we will find value of n because we don't know how many number of terms are there. So we will find number of terms from here. Then what is A? 7. B 10 raised 1 by 2 minus 7, we will get 7 by 2. And AN is given. From here we will find the value of A and we got n is equal to 23. Now what we have to do? Find the sum. हमें sum find out करना है. So sum S23 will equal to 23 by 2 A plus AN or L, because we represent AN or L. This is the last term को हम AN से और L से represent करते हैं. Then AN is given. What we will do? 23 by 2 into A means 7 plus AN. On simplifying it, we will get this. This is our first part of question number 2. Part of second question you have to try yourself. Now we will do third part of this question. What is given in third part? Terms are of negative minus sign. Minus 5 plus minus 8 plus minus 11 plus up to minus 230. This is given. Again, same formula we will use. What is it? A. A is equal to minus 5. Now we have to find D. How will we find D? Minus 8 minus minus 5 minus 8 minus minus plus 5. So from here we will get minus 8 plus 5 minus 3. And what is it? It is AN because plus sign is there in between. What is the value of AN? Minus 230. Now using same formula, AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. We will find the value of N from here. So put all values. Minus 230 is equal to A. A is minus 5 plus N. We have to find the value of N. Minus 1 into D. D is minus 3. Now dear students, minus 230 is equal to minus 5 plus minus minus N into 3, 3N. Minus minus plus 3 ones are 3. Now minus 230 is equal to minus sevens are 21, one remainder, then it will become 18. 3 6 are 18. Means number of terms are 76. Now, what we have to find? We have to find the sum. Then we will use Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l, or you can represent this by an. L and an both are nth term. We will put value of n here. N is 76, means we have to find the sum of 76 terms in this AP. Now, putting all values, we will get 76 by 2 into a. What is the value of a? Minus 5 plus what is the value of l? Minus 230. So, from here, what we will get? 2 3s are 6, 1 remainder 16, 2 8s are 16. 38 it will become, and when we open these, this is of plus minus and this is of minus, and plus sign is there, then what we will do? We will add both the terms, but sign will be of minus. Minus 235 we will get. When we multiply these, we will get number of minus, then multiply this 235 by 38. 8 5s are 40, 4 carry, 8 3s are 24, 24 plus 4, 28, 2 carry, 8 2s are 16, 16 to 18. Now cross sign, 3 5s are 15, 1 carry, 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 1 10, 1 carry, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 7. Now 0, 8 plus 5 13, 1 carry, 8 plus 1 9, 7 plus 1 8. So, we will get minus 8,930 as the sum of this given AP, as this consists of 76 number of terms, and in this A is minus 5, D is minus 3, so and AN is minus 230. Why we are using this formula, dear students? Because we have to find the value of n. हमें यहाँ पर n की वैल्यू चाहिए. जब तक हमारे पास n नहीं होगा, हम Sn कहाँ से find out करेंगे? That's why we are using this formula and we are finding n from here. And after finding n, we are calculating the sum. This is about question number 2.